Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can complete the Lost Treasure quest in Fish It game on Roblox latest update. Okay, this is the quest details. You need to loot a treasure chest, and the reward will be 40k coins. And I'm going to show you guys how you can finish this quest. Basically, if you want to finish this quest, you need to find the treasure, and the treasure will spawn when this icon appear. A shipwreck has appeared, and it can be anywhere on the ocean. So you need to activate your fishing radar, and then you need to have the diving gear, and you can start the treasure hunt. And you need to collect 5 chests. And yeah, just search for it, guys. Looking for it. It will say treasure hunt. Okay, I've been looking around, guys, but I can't find the treasure hunt, and it's over. So yeah, that's how you can finish the Lost Treasure quest, and I hope you will find the treasure chest. I hope this video will be useful for you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.